Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can copy or duplicate clips in CapCut PC. So in here, I've already imported a clip into my CapCut PC and I want to use this as an example to how you can copy and or duplicate clips. So let's say I'm going to just split the video here and I want to copy only the first part. So there are several ways to do that. First, you can just right click on the clip and there will be this copy options, and you can just go to where you want to paste or copy the clip. I'm going to just, for example, here you can right click again and then tap on paste just like this. You can just move it around if it's not in the right position. Okay, the second way that you can do is you can use your keyboard. So you can use the shortcut by clicking on the Control plus C on the keyboard one, and then to paste it, just click on where you want and tap on or click on the Control plus V. Now you can see the video will be duplicated. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.